can see up there, usually can see pretty darn far. Whiteout conditions up that way a little bit. No lane lines. Only the true ones are out right now.
Do not travel. This is journalistic purposes only. Travel not advised. Thank the plowman today. Thank you for your service, sir.
Salute.
Salute. Sir. Wow, you can barely tell where he went. That's how snowy it is. All sorts of implements. Side streets now. Oh yeah, they're getting blown over, big banks.
Not open.
Car stuck in the ditch.
Look at that felled tree.
Oh yeah, big. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, wow, alley living. And we're losing limbs here. Holy Toledo.